Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable templates in Gmail on your PC. Templates can save you time and make your email communication more efficient. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and go to gmail.com. Enter your login credentials to access your Gmail account. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. It's represented by a gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page, where you can customize various options. Step 4. On the top navigation bar, open the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the Templates section. Step 5. Next to Templates, click Enable. This will activate the Templates feature in your Gmail account. And that's it. You have successfully enabled templates in Gmail on your PC. Now, you can create and use pre-designed email templates to save time and streamline your communication. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.